Today I am reviewing the HP Omen MAX 16. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with performance, because this laptop doesn't play around. Under the hood is the new AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 375 processor, a 12-core, 24-thread beast built to rival, and in many real-world benchmarks, outperform Intel's Core i9 lineup. With a base clock of 2.0 GHz and the ability to turbo boost all the way up to 5.1 GHz. This chip delivers top-tier multitasking, responsiveness, and AI-enhanced efficiency for gaming, creative work, and productivity. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU, equipped with 8 GB of ultra-fast GDDR5 memory, and you're looking at stunning frame rates in AAA titles, real-time ray tracing, and future-ready DLSS support. Whether you're dominating in competitive shooters, exploring open-world RPGs, or editing 4K video timelines, this system doesn't flinch. And when it comes to memory and storage, HP doesn't just meet expectations, it obliterates them. The Omen MAX 16 comes preloaded with a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, allowing you to run multiple demanding apps, dozens of browser tabs, and resource-heavy software simultaneously without a hint of lag. Alongside that, you get a 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, ensuring ultra-fast boot times, seamless game launches, and lightning-speed file transfers. Now, let's talk about the display, because it's nothing short of immersive. The 16-inch WQXGA panel offers a resolution of 2560 by 1600, a refresh rate ranging from 60 to 240 Hz, and a 3 millisecond response time. It's an IPS, anti-glare, low blue light panel with 100% sRGB color accuracy and up to 500 nits of brightness. This means buttery smooth visuals, ultra-responsive gameplay, and vibrant color reproduction whether you're indoors or gaming under bright lights. But HP didn't stop there. This laptop features Wi-Fi 7, the newest wireless standard, giving you lightning-fast internet connectivity with ultra-low latency, perfect for competitive gaming or high-speed downloads. And with 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB-A 10 gigabits per second ports, HDMI, RJ45 Ethernet, and even a 1080p Full HD webcam, you're equipped for streaming, video calls, and every connection scenario imaginable. The RGB backlit keyboard looks and feels fantastic. It's tactile, responsive, and customizable, perfect for gamers who care about aesthetics and function. You can sync lighting effects, go full stealth mode, or highlight your most used keys. And thanks to Windows 11 Pro, this machine comes packed with powerful features like BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, and Hyper-V virtualization, giving professionals and creators the edge they need to get serious work done securely. Another standout is the bundle. HP includes a PCO folding laptop cooler, which adds even more thermal stability to an already advanced cooling system. Whether you're gaming on your desk or editing content for hours, this laptop remains cool, quiet, and consistent, even under extended loads. This model is also backed by a thoughtful warranty setup. The system was professionally upgraded, meaning the 64 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD were installed post-manufacture, and you get a 1-year warranty on those upgrades from PC Online US, in addition to HP's original warranty on the rest of the machine. So, who is the HP Omen MAX 16 really for? It's built for serious gamers, streamers, power users, and professionals who need a laptop that won't bottleneck under pressure. If you're building a career in content creation, diving deep into machine learning, or playing the latest AAA games at ultra settings, this is your mobile command center. To wrap it up, the HP Omen MAX 16 RTX 5070 is an elite gaming laptop that merges high-end specs, future-proof design, and cutting-edge display technology. From the Ryzen AI 9 processor to the GDDR5 powered RTX 5070, from Wi-Fi 7 to Thunderbolt 4, and from 64 gigs of RAM to a blazing 240 Hz screen, this machine doesn't just compete, it leads. If you're ready to invest in a laptop that delivers on every front, gaming, multitasking, future tech, and premium design, the HP Omen MAX 16 is the one to beat in 2025.